Okay, I'm going to show you how to change out this switch for a motion sensor switch. I know it's white, it's not the same color, but I found this in my garage. I don't know how long I've had it, but this will turn the light on and off as soon as somebody walks in. This is the cabana bathroom, and they have a switch here which operates the light in the bathroom, but the other switch on the other end operates the lights outside. And when people stay here, they tend to turn the other switch on and don't realize they put the outside lights on. So I'm going to use this motion sensor so when anybody walks in, it automatically turns the light on. All right, let's get started. Okay. People painted them, mudded them in. Okay, now you can see I've left the power on right now. The switch is on at the top when it's up, off on the bottom, okay? That means that this is your hot wire and this is your switch leg. So it only turns it on when it's pushed up or pushed on. If it was upside down, you would know right away because it would come on when it's down. Anyway, these are pushed into the back. I really hate when people do that. You never know if there's a problem. You can't tell whether it's the connection or what. Now this is the new one. You can see at the top, it says top. So you want to put it in that way. Okay, it's gonna also has a button to turn on. All right. And so our bottom, as you see this, it has a red and a black. The red's gonna be your load, okay? That's gonna be the load, your power. And this is the switch leg. Okay, so we know this is the load and this is the switch leg. Okay, I had to go. All right, I had to go find a piece of wire. You know, I thought I had some Romex. You could cut a piece off and just pull out the copper wire. But I had found another one. It's got a green coating. This way I put it on for the ground. All right, I have the breaker off. And now they have these poked down in. Okay, I really don't like these. And so what you could do to release them is you can put, I use a small screwdriver. It's just, you know, like a glasses screwdriver, whatever. You pop it down in here. Okay, push that in, and then that just pulls out. This is the hot wire, okay? It's not hot right now. I have the breaker off. Okay, now same here. Push this in. Okay, then that pulls off. Okay, now this is the hot wire. This one's the switch leg. I'm not going to bend them because this has to where it has a little plate inside here where the straight wire can go down and tighten it up. So I don't have to go around it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook up the ground wire to the grounds. Okay, that's in there. So all right, so I'm going to hook up the red one first, which is the load. I unscrewed it all the way. Push it right down in through the edge. It has a little thing that captures it. All right, it's in there good. It's not coming out. All right, now so the green's not very long, but we'll make that work. We can push the commons back in the box. It's not needed. We can push the power back in the box. Okay. Now, do the same thing with the switch leg. It's in the black, goes right in there. Okay. 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 Now you can see the folds of the wire, so you know it can bend right back in place like that. And now we're going to attach the ground. Now the ground, you do have to wrap the wire around the screw. Okay, ground wire's in. Okay, it's a little bigger than the other switch, but that's okay. Came with some new screws. Also, you can remove this plate and change it out for a different color, but while I was in the garage, I found a white plate, so I'm going to put that on. Okay, let's turn the power on. Okay, now the power's on. It's a motion sensor, so I have it set, well, I have it set at the factory settings right now, so I don't know how long it's set for. I believe they set it for 5 minutes. I have it set for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is a long time. Okay, to get to the controls is right here. Pop this off. Okay. Yep. Just walk in, the lights come on. Okay. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.